What is up, guys? WildDucati here. The rain has finally stopped. That's why I have not been vlogging recently, because the rain here has been non-stop for like 2.5 weeks. I'm talking like every day, all day long. Rain, rain, rain. Typical Florida rainy season weather. But yeah, like half of the city was flooded. They had flood warnings, roads were closed, bridges were closed. I'll show some pictures right now of the crazy flooding pictures that were on like the news and stuff. And people are out there like in kayaks and like paddleboarding down the street. Like I saw one video of a guy doing like his jet ski down like a residential street. So I mean, people are enjoying it, but at the same time, I don't know what those people understand. Like, that water is disgusting dirty. All the sewage, all the pipes underneath the, you know, the infrastructure underneath the city, all that water is just like making all that stuff float to the top. And these people are out there like paddleboarding and walking around in like inner tubes and shit. So yeah, I wouldn't be caught out there on a paddleboard or kayak or canoe or something, but apparently these people thought it was a good idea. Yeah, no thanks.